Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the tubelights, not our normal tubelights, but those are DC tubelights. Generally not been seen in our house or in common premises, but these DC tubelights are being used for lighting in for some specialized applications, and Mimic always go for some specialized products. So, what these DC tubelights are being used? Where are these being used? It is not 230 volt DC. It is generally 12 volt DC, 24 volt DC, 48 volt DC, 110 volt DC, even 220 volt DC. DC is the voltage generally being generated by batteries. So, where are these batteries being used? Generally by automobiles or in machines or aeroplanes, frigates, wherever the 230 volt AC supply is not there, or where the machines or the equipments are handled by persons where shock is important. Shock should not be there, though safety is the feature. So the multiple applications for DC tubelights are there. So this is just an introduction. I will give you in detail in forthcoming detailing of mechanical mountings and electrical characteristics. First of all, these all tubelights are manufactured out of aluminum body. This is the aluminum body. Why this aluminum body? Aluminum body is because any LED, it is a powerful LED, is fitted inside any lighting illuminated part, the heat is being generated. And if the heat is generated, that has to be dissipated. Dissipated means thrown out in the air and kept the temperature of LED below 50 degrees centigrade, then the LED life is almost unlimited, say around 50,000 hours. So it is a very critical designing of the body of an LED tube light. These tube lights bodies are in aluminum body and the cover is in polycarbonate. So what is polycarbonate? Polycarbonate is the only plastic which doesn't melt at even 110 degrees. Why this is being used? Because again, it is LED is a heat generating device, and if the plastic is normal plastic, it will melt. So this top illuminated part is of polycarbonate, and the body is of aluminum. Mounting, it is having different applications of mounting. Generally, it is in snap fit type. This is a snap fit type. Some of them are they don't want snap fit, they want a screw fit. So there are screw fit type of housings are there. Some vertical mountings or many more L-type clamps are also available. These are the mountings available, and this is a mechanical structure. About the different types are in lumens or dimensions of the particular tube lights are 1 feet, 2 feet, even 6 inches. According to the length, the lumens changes, and also there are the types which is having inbuilt battery. This is the battery inbuilt. So you don't have to give DC supply from outside. It is a rechargeable battery having a rechargeable socket over here. These are the tube lights which you can carry without power supply, even DC power supply. Now, about the electrical part of it, those are 1 feet are generally in 12 watt, 2 feet are in 24 watt. Also, there are 6 inches available which are having the half of that 12 watt, that means 6 watt. These are the different wattages available. There are some specialized applications we give up to 5 feet, that is also available. These are the tube lights generally being used in frigates, in battle tanks, in air force, in automobiles, in machines. This is also called as strip lights. So wherever there is a battery, these are being used, and always the machines where the manual interference is there, these DC tube lights are being used. So it's a very specialized applications. Also for weatherproof protection, there are different protections available in this. IP54 which is indoor, then IP65 which is outdoor, IP66 where the heavy rain is possible, IP67 where this tube light is been immersed inside the water below 1 meter. These are the standard weatherproof protections available in Mimic tube lights. We also give for submarines. For submarines, it is needed as IP68. It is below 1 meter. That is up to 10 meter, 30 meter, it can work. Then there is IP69. What is IP69? That is a tailor-made, customized. Suppose somebody says below 10 meter, I want to keep it for 3 months. So this is a customized. So that customized IP69 also we give. And various applications come across in different ways. If you want more details or more technical discussions, you can contact me. My name is Anand Jaivan, 9821252022, or you can write back to me on mimic.cells@gmail.com. Thank you.